Hi everyone! Welcome sa In Between.
And we're so glad you're here, whether you're listening during your commute, while working, or maybe you're in a season where you are searching for direction. We believe this conversation is for you.
So this is In Between, where we talk struggle, success, and everything in between. And before we officially begin this journey together, so we wanted to dedicate this trailer episode to share who we are, why we started this podcast, and what can you expect moving forward.
So first, let's introduce ourselves.
Okay.
So I'm Justin. I'm your Kuya Just. And one thing people should know about me is that I'm passionate about seeing people grow in their faith and discover their purpose God has for their life.
Nice. Okay, so I'm Ken. So I love meaningful conversation. So the kind that beyond surface level, talk honestly about life and faith, struggles, and growth. And we've been friends since 2009. Yeah.
Yes.
And over the years, we had countless of conversation about life, disappointment, dreams, and syempre, God's faithfulness through it all.
So here we are.
So one thing na notice nyo about this podcast is we're still figuring out everything. Diba? So personally, my faith journey has been filled with moments of uncertainty and moments of waiting na rin. And there are seasons when God answered prayers quickly and meron din namang season na, it seemed silent. And I've seen God working in both. So some of my biggest lessons didn't come from a breakthrough. So it also came along the process.
And for me, faith has been a journey of learning to trust God beyond what I can see. There were times when I wanted clear answers, immediate direction, and certainty about the future. But God often touches us through the journey, not just the destination. Well, I've experienced moments of doubt, growth, mistakes, victories, and unexpected blessings. Through all of it, I've learned that God's faithfulness remains constant.
And I think that's what really connects us, yung both story natin, di ba? Not perfection, not having all the answers, but learning to walk with God one step at a time.
Yes, totoo yan. So, why start a podcast? Because we realize that many people are living in season of in-between. So, meaning, yung na-experience natin, yung mga nai-experience natin, I know na yung mga testimonies and experience natin before will be meaningful sa iba pang nakakaranas nito.
And you guys may be waiting for your breakthrough, maybe you're pursuing your dream or healing from disappointment, and maybe you are still trying to figure out your calling, or maybe simply asking God, what's next? Diba?
So, we believe those seasons matter. Kasi in a culture that's obsessed with success stories and finished products, we don't talk enough about the process, yung mga pains, yung mga struggles, and yung everything that is in between. That's why the title of this podcast is In Between. No? So we celebrate yung mga process na yun, yung progress na yun na pinagdadaanan natin, and syempre, yung outcome. No? Yung mga lessons na nakuha natin sa mga process na yun.
Yun nga diba? In between, dun yung yung wino-work ni God, diba? He develops our character, strengthen our faith, despite of uncertainty, diba? He teaches us to be more dependent to Him and often prefer us before He release sa breakthrough natin, diba?
Yes, totoo. That's why we wanted to create a space for honest conversations about faith, life, purpose, growth, and the journey that happens before the testimony. So, why the name In Between?
Because lives often live between two places, diba? Between promises and fulfillment, between prayers and answers, between where you are and where God is leading you.
So, again, the in-between can feel confusing and it can feel slow. Pero sometimes it can even feel lonely. Kasi ang sakit, di ba? Masakit minsan yung process, masakit yung alam mo yun, even yung yung 40 years ni Moses na nandun sila sa wilderness, di ba? But it's often where God shapes us the most.
And yung waiting season is not a wasted season, di ba? It's a process, not punishment. The journey matters, and that's what this podcast really all about.
So, struggles, success, and everything in between.
What you can expect from this podcast is, of course, real conversation.
And authentic stories, biblical perspectives on everyday life.
Lessons from our experience and from guests we'll bringing on in future episodes. We'll be taking about topics like faith and waiting season, purpose and calling, personal growth, relationship and community. Meron pa yung mga career and ministry, entrepreneurship, struggle, setback, and stories of God's faithfulness through it all.
So we'll also be inviting guests from pastors and entrepreneurs to creators, missionaries, and ordinary people with extraordinary testimonies. Yun talaga yung mga gusto nating maririnig lagi.
Tama. And our hope that every episode encourage you to trust God more deeply wherever your journey.
And thank you for joining us for this trailer episode.
And if this resonates you, we'd love to follow the podcast, subscribe, and share it with someone that you might need encouragement.
And if you're currently in a season of waiting, uncertainty, or even transition, we hope you'll walk with this journey with us.
Yeah, because God isn't only present in the destination,
He's present in the process.
He's present in waiting, and
He's present in between. Yan.
And we'll see you in the episode 1, What Do You Do While Waiting?
And God bless us. Thanks for listening, guys. Bye.